I'll try the trick. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Said 10 times on Gareth Bale. Okay, let's go. One, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's double tap on the card. Then 5 times on Baju. Okay, 4, 5, 5. Let's go for our first 900. 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 Tell me, tell, who is this? Are they whining me? They gave me Baju. Seriously. Seriously, Baju. But not bad, not bad. First 900, we got an epic. First 900, we got an epic. First 900, an epic. Okay, okay. I'll take it, I'll take it, I'll take it, I'll take it. Not bad. I'll take it, not bad. That's good. First 900. Where's the guy that told me the trick? What should I do next? Lane, what should I do next? What should I do next? Yeah, 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 giving me good luck, good luck, good luck. This is a good luck. So, so what should I do? What should I do? We got first epic on our first 900. On our first 900. So what should we do? What should we do? What should we do next? What should we do next? First epic, first 900, first epic. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this again one more time. On on Gareth Bale. On Gareth Bale. On Gareth Bale. I should just spin. Ah, it's not even about the coin. Coin is not the problem, but this pack is just too heavy for us to do. If I just spin, will you send me money to buy another coin? I don't mind though. Akinkumi. I don't mind though. It just save me. It just save me money. It just save me money. Oh. Yeah, let's go. 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 Our second 900. Our second 900 coming. Hopefully under epic. Hopefully under epic. Hopefully under epic. Hey, Konami don't whine me. Konami don't whine me. Konami don't whine me. Dope, that's dope. Two 900, two epic. But I don't need these guys. I don't need these guys. Yeah, let's do this again. This is the last another second to the last 900. This is crazy. Who is this? What do I want to use this guy to do? That's almost 12,000 coin. Oh. Almost 12,000 coins spent now. 12,000 coins spent. Now me do this one. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow, guys. I appreciate. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate. Who do you think this is? If it's Shevchenko, I'm done for the night. Oh. It's Gareth Bale. This Bale. This Bale. This Bale. You guys check the link in my bio for toxic Konami, they're just. I don't think they. I don't. You know, sometimes if you don't spin some particular cards that you might know, yeah, you don't nobody cares, man. Can you imagine when we finish already? Well, it's good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. The most important thing is that you guys turned up for me. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. You guys are welcome. If you are not following, please press the follow button. Um, let's create a community together. Let's create a community together. Come on, I beg you. So if you are not following, please let's smash the follow button. I have a YouTube channel in my link. You guys follow me on YouTube. Let's create this community together. Let's create this community together, guys. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. So we go.